Hey everyone! I hope you're having a great day. Today's video, I am reviewing another interesting item. I do love doing review videos, you probably noticed that, guys. In today's video, I'm gonna be talking about NYX brand new Off Tropic Pro Liner. Okay, so I gotta be honest with you. I started filming this video and I needed to stop. I mean, this is a brand new. I unpacked already this. It was wrapped, sealed in an original package and all. I needed to stop because at first I thought that this is an eyeliner. And clearly in here is a mark saying that not for the eyes. I know, I'm a bit silly. It looks exactly like a lip liner, you know, packaging and everything. But for some reason, I thought it's an eyeliner. What an idiot, honestly. Never mind that. So take two. Let's talk about this lip liner, I guess. It doesn't state that it's for lips, so it might be for face in general because it has a picture of a face, not the lips. Yeah, I'm a little bit confused, but let's say it's for lips. They have quite a few vibrant colors, like pink and blue and green and, you know, like a baby pink and all. But I went for the orange color because it's springtime. You kind of want more colors. I mean, where I live is still pretty much winter and it was snowing today, but never mind that. At least some colorful makeup can, you know, bring some spring in here. Okay, so let's do a little swatch and see how it swatches. I haven't tested this out yet, so brand new to me as well. Oh, I like it. It looks nice. What do you guys think? So they state on the website that it's matte and waterproof. So I guess it might be waterproof when it's dried, but so far, you know, you see. Let's just do one more and leave it to stay to dry off and try to do this again. So we'll see. In the meantime, what I'm thinking, because we're gonna have this vibrant orange lip, we need to do something with the eyes. But because this is not for the eyes, although I was so planning to do the eye makeup using this, and my plan was just ruined because it's apparently not supposed to be used for the eyes. So okay, let's just go with that. So I decided to go with a NYX Licorice Lane eyeshadow palette. I did a review and video on this already. It's on my channel. So without any further ado, let's do that and then we're gonna do lips. First of all, I'm gonna prep my eyes as I always do before applying any eyeshadow. So I'm going with my favorite Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define in C1 on my eyelids. My eyelids are super oily and mine's are hooded, so I always need to prep no matter what. But honestly, guys, I started filming this video and then I realized that this item is not really an eyeliner. It's a lip liner. Like, what was I thinking? I don't know why I thought it's eyeliner. Maybe because we have the eyeshadow palette as well, this Off Tropic, and I thought it's kind of the eyeliner to match in. Let's quickly set this up. I'm gonna use a NYX HD finishing powder for that. This is the travel size one. The original one is way much bigger. So I'm gonna take a little bit more of a powder and place it under my eyes in case we're gonna have any fallouts from the eyeshadow. I'm gonna obviously wipe this all off later. I'll start with this yellow color as my transition color and then jump into the orange, like all over lid. Starting from the yellow. I basically go till where my crease is, going into the crease as well. Use my finger and this orangey color and go all over my mobile lid. So I basically concentrate in the middle and later I'm gonna blend this out with the brush. And the eyeshadow is complete, so I'm gonna do the same on this eye and come back to you. This is probably the fastest ever eye makeup look I've ever done. So for the lower lash line, I think we should carry on with orange and just go with this color, like smudge a little bit. Going very, very, very close to the lash line. And the eye makeup is nearly complete. Next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna apply some mascara. If you feel like going with falsies, go for it. I still have a little bit of my lash extensions left, but it's not full set, so I'm gonna apply a tiny bit of mascara on the top. Ah! I just touched the eyelid. This honestly always happens to me, so I'm not gonna go and rub this off just yet. I'm gonna leave this to dry and then remove with a brush or the cotton stick. Alright, so I'm just taking a cotton bud. I'm gonna gently remove this bit off. And voila. Okay, we just need to clean up this excess powder from under the eye. Ah, got the powder everywhere now. And our eye makeup is complete, but let's go to the lips and test this out. So this definitely needs to be dry now because it's been definitely 5 minutes. Oh, okay. The first one, remember, is smudged so easily and cleaned up so easily before it dried, but this one, I'm proper pressing it now. Like proper smudging. Smudged a little bit because I'm proper rubbing it. But wow, impressive so far. Okay. Let's test this out with Off Tropic's Mimosa Orange Pro Liner. I always like to outline my lips a little bit, so I'm gonna do that. If you're not a fan of that, well, sorry. Ooh, that color, guys. Oh my god. Okay. Let me be honest with you. I don't really ever wear super bright lipsticks. Like, I would wear red lipstick, that's fine. Or like a burgundy one, but not the orange. Or a pink even. I don't even wear pink lipsticks. So this one is way out of my comfort zone. Trust me. Plus, when I bought this, I was so convinced that this is an eyeliner. And I thought, what a weird looking eyeliner. It looks like a lip liner. Duh. The color is definitely there. Can't deny that. It feels very creamy actually. Like the liner itself is really, really creamy. And before it dries, you see, I can do this and just transfer the color. Okay. I don't know how to feel about this color as it's a little bit a lot for me to handle because, as I mentioned, I don't ever go for bright lips. What do you guys think? What do you think of this color and this Pro Liner, the Off Tropics Pro Liner by NYX? What they say on our website is that each creamy shade is rich with bright pigments and dries down to matte finish that always stands out and stays olay. They're promising a matte finish. It's definitely a matte finish. There's no doubt in there. I wonder if it's water and transfer proof because on a hand I was really rubbing after it dried to smudge it a little bit. So if it's actually transfer proof and all, it might be amazing thing. Colors might be a bit too bright, but you know, all for a festival and summertime and all the things going on, it actually might be like perfect color choices. So I have a glass of water in front of me. Let's just try and see if we're gonna have any mark on our glass. Cheers. My lips still look okay. Glass has no mark. Thumbs up. It's waterproof. It's kiss proof for sure. It's smudge proof as well. So my verdict is I weirdly like it. I mean, the color is a bit in your face, as you see. It's super bright, but I mean, the packaging tells you everything. It's gonna be bright color, and it says Off Tropics, so you know the clue is in the name and in the packaging. So I shouldn't complain or moan or say anything about it. And I think it's perfect for summer season and all the festivals going on at the moment and starting on soon. This cost, by the way, I got in Superdrug, as Superdrug starts selling NYX, and this costs only $5.50. So definitely thumbs up from me. I might actually purchase more colors so I can create more festival looks. So what you guys think about this lippy? I mean Pro Liner, that's what I meant to say. My verdict is I will definitely be using this Pro Liner for more of a vibrant looks, for like a festival inspired look. This is perfect for that. You can draw little like flowers or something because it's like a pen. It's so super easy to use. And as a lip liner instead of a lipstick, oh my god, you guys, as you've seen, it's very creamy, easy to apply, dries off matte, but it doesn't dry my lips. Like my lips doesn't feel dry at all. It's kiss proof, as you've seen, it's smudge proof, and it's waterproof as well, which is perfect, but means it's a long wear, long lasting lippy, which is perfect for summer and swimming and all. It will stay on the lips. Oh my god. This is amazing. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this super quick tutorial for the eye look and the vibrant lip. This could be your, festival look. Why not? But talking about this liner, thumbs up for me. So really hope you guys enjoyed watching this review and a tutorial. If so, please don't forget to press a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more. I would really appreciate that if you would hit that button. And leave a comment down below. Let me know if you actually tried the NYX Off Tropics maybe eyeshadow palette or the Pro liners. And if you have the same opinion as I do, or maybe you just didn't like it. And yeah, what would you like to see next on my channel? Should I do more reviews, more tutorials, more vlogs? Let me know, and I shall see you soon in my next video. So thank you so much for watching, and bye. Ciao for now. Ciao.